We're out here at Whetstone Park of Roses. Right now, Cole's trying to catch some little on his ultralight rod with a little Castmaster and a power bait orange worm.
Here on honey hole fishing, we tend to get snagged all the time. This happens because this is literally the only lure that I have brought today since we were cast netting. I am going to ruin the entire spot just to retrieve my lure. I am just kidding because it is way too deep here.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming over.
Now, I don't know what these are called. We can look it up and throw it in the video anyways, but they're really, almost predatory looking bait fish. Really cool. I hope these survive and make it home with us. All right, so here we have a creek, just like our normal creek chub. Works well as bass bait. Good versatile bait. We're keeping these, see if we can put some more in our native aquarium to divide aggression. But we typically will use these for smallmouth, largemouth, and catfish. They work really well for catfish as a cut bait. So, yeah. All right, so I've always known these to be called red horse. But I think they go by different names, and over like in the European countries, they catch them as sport fish, particularly on fly. But if you look closely at his head, it's very bumpy, and I think this is how you can determine the gender of them. I don't know if you can tell, but it's incredibly rigid. I think that means it's male, like a male or bull red horse, and these typically will eat small worms, like bloodworms, stuff like that.
Nice throw. Catch me getting a nice big largemouth.
Just small fish, minnows and stuff like that. Just for collection, like just data records and stuff like that. No, just personal use. We come back here throughout the summers to fish, to find bait and stuff like that. We're just seeing if they're popping up this early.
Here on honey hole fishing, we've become expert liars. Here. Beautiful. Simply beautiful.